Guys, welcome to Learn with Anisha. I am Anisha Zabeen, and today we are not starting by the way, but we are going to discuss about the questions and answers of the squirrel. Okay, so as we have, I have explained to you the whole poem of the squirrel. So I just thought of discussing with you the question answers that are, asked in the poem in the book that is written some question answers. So I just thought of sharing with you guys. So moving on, let's see the first questions. Question number one. The first question, what is in the first question? Why does the poet say that the squirrel wore a question mark for tail? So in this particular question, it's written that in the poem there was written, right, that the squirrel wore a question mark. So question mark for tail. I'm so sorry, I just told mistakenly. So why it is written like that? Why the poet say that the squirrel he wore a question mark for tail? So the answer is, the poet said that squirrel the poet said the squirrel wore a question mark because its tail is twisted, appearing like a question mark. So the tail of the squirrel, it's like a question mark type, like this. Don't give the dot, only the somewhat like this. The tail is like this and the body is here somewhat. So this tail is twisted like a question mark. So you know for that only it's told that the squirrel has a question mark type of tail. So do we usually say that an animal wears a tail? What do we say? It's question number two. Okay, it's question number two. So here's in the question, it's asked that do we usually say that an animal wears a tail? In fact, in this poem, the squirrel, the squirrel. So this, the poet has told that the squirrel has a tail. I'm so sorry, the squirrel wears a tail. So why he told like that? Usually we say a squirrel or an animal has a tail. We don't say that a animal wears a tail. So here it's asked that why do we say that an animal wears a tail? So if we don't say that, what do we say? So the answer is, we usually say that an animal has a tail. You know, we usually say that an animal has a tail. The poet, however, uses the word wear to indicate the external characteristics of a squirrel. So you know the poet has used the word wear. Why he used the word wear? To indicate He used the word wear to indicate the external characteristics of the squirrel. He, he was describing the external, बाहर का characteristics वो indicate कर रहा था या describe कर रहा था. You can tell like that too. So moving on, let's see the another question. He likes to tease and play. Who is teasing to whom and how? So there is written in the poem that the he likes to tease and play. So who is teasing to whom? Who is the person who is teasing to whom and how is he teasing? The poet likes to tease and play with the squirrel. The poet likes to tease and play with the squirrel. Wherever the poet went a little, whenever I'm so sorry I told wherever. Whenever the poet went a little close to the squirrel could run away in other direction. So whenever the poet, he runs behind the squirrel, the squirrel changes his direction, it goes the other way. So in this, this question, it's written and the answer is this. So it's really very easy. You can just memorize a little and then it's you will be the master of this poem and with the questions and answer. In your exams too, the questions can be, you know, inside the poem, the lines will be given, and you can just, you have to just indicate, you have to just see that which poem and what is the poet's name. Just remember what is a poet's name. So that was all. Thank you for watching the video. So before before leaving the video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel at the bell icon, and also like the video, share the video, and comment me down if any query, and also tell how was the video. So if you have any query, do ask me in the comment section. And tab tak, stay home, stay safe, and stay hygiene.